Unlike what you see on TV, a lawyer often knows the answer to a question before they ask it. It's never going to be this Perry Mason moment like, aha, I got you. We should already know the answers because we've done what's called discovery. Discovery allows us to get information from the opposing party that's relevant to your case. So if it's a divorce case, I might be looking for financial documents. I might ask for their credit report to see, oh, they signed for this car that you don't even know exists. I am looking for credit card statements. Like, are they spending all of your money at the casino? That's something that I'm going to be able to find out through discovery and going through their bank statements. So I'm asking for all kinds of information in order to help my client figure out how should we settle? What should we settle for? Without all of that information, I can't properly advise my client as to what they're entitled to. So discovery involves several different things. You can do request for production of documents, just like it sounds. I'm requesting you give me documents, that credit report, those bank statements. Interrogatories, like it sounds, like an interrogation, right? I'm asking you questions and the person has to answer them in writing under oath. So let's say in their interrogatories, they said that you're a bad mom because, you sleep in until noon. Well, then you get on the witness stand and they're like, you're a bad mom because you do all of these drugs. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's trial by ambush. You never said this in discovery before. I don't know this. I didn't prepare for this. Like, what are you talking about? So then I get to ask, well, in your interrogatories that you answered under oath, were you lying then? Or are you lying now here in court in front of the judge? Either way, that person looks like a liar. And so you're really bound by those interrogatory answers. Another thing that we might do is take depositions. And so I'm asking you all of the questions that I intend to ask in court probably before we go to court. So I can see how you answer them and see, do I need to go deeper into any subject? We can do a request for admissions. Admit that you cheated on me and admit that you did this. And, you have to admit or deny them. It's just kind of a yes or no question. And so if you don't answer those requests for admissions on time, everything is deemed admitted. So those can really hurt somebody in a case, especially someone who's pro se that doesn't understand the importance of the request for admissions. And so I definitely advise you to have an attorney and to do discovery so that you're dotting your I's and crossing your T's and you know that you're not leaving anything on the table.